The workshop in Fredericksburg is more than just a workspace. It's also a gallery and lounge to display the beautiful work of artists in Fredericksburg. In this week's edition, I'm at the workshop at 1104 Summit Street in the Fredericksburg Industrial Park, right off of Route 3, not very far from Interstate 95 or downtown Fredericksburg. And I'm with David Keene, who is the co-founder of the workshop, and Rebecca Keene, who's the marketing director for the workshop. And loyal viewers of Freeling Finds may remember we were out here a couple years ago, but there's been some changes since we were last here, and we wanted to update you on some of those changes. So David and Rebecca, first of all, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
Yeah. So David, why don't we just start off with just kind of the model of the workshop, how it works, what you have here, size of the space, that kind of thing.
So the Fredericksburg Workshop's mission is to preserve and provide access to woodworking materials, the knowledge, the tools, and the space. And as far as the space goes, so we have a 24,000 square foot facility here. We've been open almost 8 years now, and we have basically a gym for woodworkers where you pay a monthly access fee and you're able to come in, use the equipment, purchase the lumber, take classes to learn how to build what it is you'd like to build out of wood. And I guess in furtherance of that mission, we are expanding our instructional programs and expanding our gallery space, which Rebecca can speak to.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're sitting inside the gallery and lounge, so you can see some of the beautiful products that are made right here behind us, and they've got a special event coming up this Friday, October 6th. So yeah, Rebecca, why don't you tell us more about sort of what led to the gallery and lounge and what people can find here?
Yeah, so we have artisans that have items here handmade out of wood, metal, glass, and more, and we really want people to know that we have this stuff year-round. So not only do we hire woodworkers, but we want to be able to sell their handmade goods at the workshop. So we have examples behind me. We would love for people to come out on October 6th between 5 and 8 p.m. We're going to have a huge open house First Friday event. Food truck will be here, Will's Place. We will have raffles, prizes, and we really just want you to come out, have a good time, and bring your early holiday shopping list. Anybody can come in here to shop. We have furniture from coffee tables to large kitchen and dining tables, custom made, and these are by all local artisans. We do have intarsia and wall decor, home decor. We've also got pottery from local ceramics artists. So please do know that you can come check it out.
And so people that that want more information about the workshop, what's the best way to find it?
Yeah, so the best way is social media. We're on Facebook at FXBG Workshop, and we're on Instagram, Fredericksburg_workshop. We also are at www.fredworkshop.com.
It's really a beautiful space in here and shop for woodworking enthusiasts. So kudos on what you put together, and it's good to see what you've been up to for the last couple of years.
Thank you, Bill.
So encourage people to come out. Again, 1104 Summit Street. The big event on October 6th from 5 to 8, and then just anytime after that as well. So,
absolutely.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. So that'll do it for this week's edition. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next week.